What's up, guys? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Tiger shark. Today we've done a great white, and a megalodon. So let's try tiger shark. So the only thing is like longer, skinnier. So I'm on a landscape page. Use pencils and erasers for these tutorials. Hit pause when I move my hand or if I go too fast. Rock and roll. So center point of my page is about here. It's probably the center point of his body, probably in the end. We're just going to go over and we're going to start with that tiger shark black creepy eye. And you just draw a circle. Okay, now tiger shark eye, black cold eye with these little highlights, right? So just like I'm leaving a space and then I'm going to color around it. Also possible to add white paint on top. So eyelid, sort of like a little ridge just coming around the eye, right? Just makes it look a bit three-dimensional. And then not so much a frown, but like there's a sort of a head ridge line that sharks have sort of coming across, and it goes like the whole way out to their snout. And it goes like this way, more or less. And he's got a little sort of eyelid line that comes up underneath here. It's just like a little cheekbone. It's like their skeleton structure, you know. So the eye is like inside a little sort of eye socket area. Tiger shark, weird nostril, if this is anatomically accurate. So it's like just down from the eye a little bit. Yeah, kind of like that. But then there's like some more, like something coming down here. And then like some skin around. Some little bumps and stuff here. Unusual. So the snout right at the top of this line, right, it's real pointy. Comes out. And then we'll go down this way. This kind of goes in here. And then the top of the head will go back that way. So the mouth itself is kind of flat along the top, bends down, and it's got like lots of little wrinkles and stuff back here. So then the bottom lip comes out from the corner there, around like so. Kind of different to a great white. And we can maybe do like some skin sort of along here. So then this bottom lip comes around, joins the belly, right? So the mouth and the belly are kind of like the one sort of shape, really. So it goes off that way. And the head will keep going, of course, as well. Joins like his spine and his back all the way back that way. Might make this a little bit pointier. Okay. And now, so layers of teeth, right? So he's got like all these gnarly sort of gums and stuff and loads of spiky teeth sort of sticking out from the mouth. So they're kind of skinny, sharp kind of teeth. And there's kind of like layers of them. So they're like, there's some in behind, some at the front. Can't see the ones on the top as much. We can just see kind of the gum sort of going in behind them here, sort of the other side of the mouth, you know, this little bumpy situation. And then there's like lots of these teeth then coming all down this way. lots of gum wrinkles and like gnarly sort of teeth. Can't see any of the top teeth at all, really. It's all dark in here. But I guess there should be some teeth back here. Just going back. Maybe some just that we could see like a few just poking down there. Okay, and that's his head more or less. You can add some scars and like stuff if you wanted, of course, as well, like a little skinny sort of cut or something on his mouth, you know. Okay, so we're going to continue with this sort of torpedo shaped body, right? So it's going to go back this way. And then somewhere about here we have that main fin. And it comes up around, and it can be kind of jaggedy sort of along the edge. And down that way. And then we'll stay going with the body all the way down. And we got another little sort of fin here. Getting real narrow now going this way, so the belly, say, goes here. And there's another fin there, like a longer one. These are like long side body ones. So it looks like it kind of goes this way. Real long now. Okay, and then we'll go back this way, and there's like a couple more fins back here. How many fins do tiger sharks have? That is a good question. Yeah, there's like 4 at the back, is there? So I think there's like another one here. And then maybe another one there. 1, 2. And then sort of goes back to where the tail is. So big tail here. Kind of jaggedy again. Curves around. Where does it go? Up into there. So that's like the main body shape, and we've one more fin, I think, here. So around the other side. Okay. Now, details on the body, so like gills and stuff. So we've got like some gills just kind of connected to this fin here, or just in front of it at least. Okay. And then we have like the spine sort of line coming up the back this way. And maybe some like belly lines and stuff here. Okay, so tiger sharks have a white belly and then sort of stripes and stuff. So we've got this sort of different color. That's this sort of jaggedy sort of line, kind of like what we did with the great white, right? So it's just like a jaggedy kind of line that runs down the face. And underneath is white, and up here is like a dark browny gray sort of thing. It kind of connects with the fins in here. Seems to run down this fin and then continues back that way. I think it just kind of stops in here. Okay, jaggedy there. And then, so the tiger shark's pattern, right? So it's got these stripes that come down. It's normally sort of done with your coloring, but we'll draw it in just so we have a bit of an idea where everything sort of goes, right? Just roughly, say if we started on the tail here, and we'll draw it sort of lightly just so we get a bit of a taste of where things may go. So all these sort of tiger stripes and stuff. Now they're not perfect lines or anything. They're kind of wavy. You might have like the odd little dot or something here, say, all coming down the body. And they get a bit big when they get onto the back. And some of them can be round, and like a round one, say, in there, just like a weird pattern sort of a thing. And then one might be wider on the bottom than the top. And it's kind of mostly on the back. We don't see much of it up near the head. So we'll just do it where we stop. And it will stop somewhere like here maybe. Okay. And you know, bubbles coming out of the mouth. Always a good thing to add when you're drawing underwater. And like textures on the skin if you want and all that, but that's tiger shark, basically. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.